AI has proven to be an incredibly powerful tool. You have ChatGPT, which can generate original human-sounding text about virtually any topic, and Midjourney, which can do the same for image generation. The usage of AI tools like these have grown exponentially these past few months, primarily because nearly every industry could benefit from written content and/or images related to their industry. And if you're looking for a way to make some extra money in freelance, here are some ways you could use AI in your business to make at least $1,000 a month. Before diving in, let's talk about some of the benefits and limitations of using AI. One of the most significant benefits of freelance work is the ability to save time and effort. You could use ChatGPT to make a rough draft of your content, then add or remove sections to make it what you're looking for. And if you're using Midjourney, you have access to virtually unlimited stock images you can use or photos you can edit in Photoshop to turn into exactly what you want to produce. And all of this without the worry about licensing or copyright. This efficiency translates into increased earnings for freelancers as they can take on more projects in a shorter period of time. This can be especially beneficial in fields such as design and marketing. However, there are also some limitations to using AI tools for freelance work. I reached out to a freelance writer to summarize his thoughts on ChatGPT. The basic concern the freelance writer had was that AI is a tool, not a replacement for a writer. It's like how Google isn't a replacement for research, but it can greatly speed up the research process. But as long as we're aware of the shortcomings of the technology and use it as a tool instead of a crutch, then we can use it to quickly produce quality content. Okay, now let's talk about the business ideas that you can use AI for to make at least $1,000 a month. First, there's creating AI pet images for pet owners. Pet owners are always looking for ways to showcase their pets, and AI pet images offer a fun and unique way to do so. You can use Midjourney to get unique image assets and backgrounds, and to edit the pet to be in stylish or fun poses. To get started with AI pet images, it's important to have a strong understanding of graphic design and image manipulation. There are several resources available online. You can watch tutorials on YouTube to gain the necessary skills. Once you've honed your design skills, it's essential to market your services to potential clients. Social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook can be powerful tools to showcase your work and finding potential clients. You can also reach out to local pet stores, veterinary clinics, and pet grooming businesses to offer your services. Next, we can create social media posts for businesses. If chatbots still struggle with producing longer content, then they may be perfect for producing something short and catchy like a social media post. Social media has become an essential tool for businesses to reach their customers and promote their services. Normally, high-quality social media content is time-consuming, which means people will pay a high price for quality content. As an AI freelancer, you can offer social media post creation services to businesses to help them create engaging and effective social media content. To get started, it's important to have a strong understanding of social media marketing and design. There are several resources available online, such as online courses and blogs that can help you learn the necessary skills to create eye-catching posts. You can also practice creating social media posts for your own business or personal brand. Then, you can incorporate visual assets from Midjourney and text from ChatGPT to create content that reaches the target audience and leaves an impact. And our third freelance business idea is designing interior homes for homeowners. This involves using AI tools to create detailed models and visualizations of potential designs for the interior of a home. This can include everything from selecting furniture and decor to choosing color schemes and layouts. AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney can be particularly helpful in this field, as they can help designers create realistic 3D models of potential designs quickly and efficiently. These models can be used to show clients what their homes will look like before any physical changes are made, allowing for a greater understanding of the project and ensuring that the client's needs and expectations are met. Designing interior homes for homeowners can be a lucrative field for freelance designers, as there's a growing demand for personalized and unique interior design solutions. By leveraging AI tools, designers can create high-quality models and visualizations quickly and efficiently, allowing them to take on more clients and increasing their earning potential. You can get started by forging a strong understanding of design principles and software programs such as AutoCAD and SketchUp. You must also be able to communicate effectively with clients to ensure that their needs and expectations are met throughout the design process. Providing high-quality work and excellent customer service is essential for building a strong reputation and attracting new clients. These are just a few ideas that I believe can easily make you $1,000 or more as freelance jobs. Of course, the possibilities of what you can create with AI are endless, with the only limit being your imagination. However, there are a few points to remember no matter what you decide to do for your side business. I've been saying this a lot, but I feel like it bears repeating. Make sure you're knowledgeable about the field before you enter it. AI can help you get jobs done in a shorter time frame, but it can't do everything for you. Ultimately, it's going to be your human touch that will take a machine-generated text or image and turn it into a quality product. That's going to be the heartbeat of your business. Then, to succeed in freelance, you have to build a strong portfolio of your work to establish a reputation for quality. Always develop new skills and services over time and update your portfolio to showcase your best. By doing so, freelancers can thrive in the rapidly evolving world of AI and freelance work. And whenever you're delivering your work, it's important to communicate with your clients and ensure that their needs and expectations are met. Providing high-quality work and excellent customer service can help you build a strong reputation and attract new clients. With all that said, this is an exciting time to be starting up a new business. AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney provide freelancers with the chance to make money and improve their lives and the lives of their families. The fact that these powerful tools are free to use is even more incredible. Anyone in the world can utilize AI to produce a business that competes with some of the best in the industry. As long as we recognize the potential limitations and invest in developing the necessary skills and services to deliver high-quality work, anyone can benefit from this technology. By exploring the opportunities AI opens up for us, whether it be one of these freelance ideas or an idea of your own, we can tap into the growing demand for AI services and build a successful career in this field.